So what is poke in Facebook? So have you ever been poked by your friend, or have you ever poked someone on your Facebook friend list? So today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So just head over to your Facebook application, and inside the Facebook application, go to the search menu, just type poke as I do here, and when you get inside the poke option, you can see the friend list here to whom you can just poke by simply pressing on these poke icons. So let's understand what does poke do in Facebook. On Facebook, poking was a feature that was allowed users to send a virtual nudge to their friends or other users. It was a playful or non-verbal way to grab someone's attention. Basically, you are saying hello in a non-formal way, or initiating interaction without sending a full message. While it didn't have a specific meaning, it was often used casually or flirtatiously, depending on the context. The feature has been less prominent on the platform for now. So that's it, guys. That's exactly how you can poke on someone in Facebook. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos like this. See you in the next one.